Palace Theater, Albany, New York.
May 27th, Mayor Jerry Jennings officially lit the new Palace Theater marquee sign. The Palace Theater was revamped to a 1930s-style marquee. The actual sign was fabricated by Pattison Sign Company in Calgary, Canada. This sign uses 3600 of our 3000K warm white Edison screw-type LED lamps in all of the border trim, as well as the Palace name. The Restoration Committee wanted to keep the circa 1930s look, but still have the benefits of today's technology to ensure the lowest level of energy consumption and the longest life possible. Therefore, LEDs were a natural choice. By using Ledtronics S14L white LED bulbs, the theater's energy consumption had been reduced from 43,362 kilowatts per hour to 4,680 kilowatts per hour. The Standard Hotel, Hollywood, California. On the infamous Sunset Boulevard in California, the luxurious Standard Hotel overlooks the busy Los Angeles city life. Giving off a beautiful blue aura in each of its balconies are A19-style Edison screw-based LED bulbs. These state-of-the-art bulbs match and complement the exquisite prestige that can only be expected from Hollywood. These LEDs are a beautiful sight to see while driving by, but still save money and energy. The Ledtronics blue LED bulbs only consume 1.3 watts of power each. This is a huge savings compared to the standard 20 or 30 watt incandescent filament type bulbs that would usually be used for this application. Strip LEDs, common applications. Located in the Mandalay Bay Place Mall, between Mandalay Bay and Luxor Hotel Mall, are decorative wall sconces using Ledtronics strip LEDs. These strip LEDs are perfectly suited for backlighting in this application. The ordinary 180 fluorescent bulbs at 17 watts each were replaced with 6.3 watt strip LEDs instead. A bland-looking kitchen has been rejuvenated with strip LEDs to give accent lighting under the cabinets and beautify the tabletops. A beautiful desk workstation has been lit up by strip LED lighting under the cabinet. The American Airlines Admirals Club has used strip LEDs in the receptionist area, providing gorgeous and elegant lighting to important frequent flyers. When factoring in the virtually non-existent maintenance costs and the power savings over the outdated and power-hungry incandescent bulbs, these strip LEDs really save money.
Bardavon Theater, Poughkeepsie, New York.
The Bardavon Theater has been the host of entertainment for the Hudson River Valley area for more than 130 years. As part of a renovation project, the original marquee and vertical blade sign were replaced with 3,600 direct incandescent replacement LED light bulbs. These LEDs are UV resistant, making them a perfect application for outdoors. The tall blade portion of the sign made it difficult to replace burnt-out regular bulbs, so the long life of LEDs was a welcome change. The annual electricity cost for the LED lamps is only about $124.40. Compared to the old bulbs, this adds up to an annual savings of $3,203 a year, equating to $35,233 over the typical 100,000-hour LED operating life. Besides lower energy costs, the Bardavon has benefited from the low maintenance requirements of the LEDs. With the top of the vertical structure 50 feet above street level, a boom lift was needed. If the marquee and blade sign operate for an estimated 1,095 hours a year and incandescent bulbs last for an average of 1,000 hours, the incandescent bulbs would technically have to be replaced about once a year. Assuming labor for changing the bulbs is $13 an hour, and there are 3,600 lights that have to be replaced once a year. The labor costs alone amount to close to $51,246 for 1 year. Now, add on the costs of parts, boom lift rental, and operator pay, and that's a bottom line that can really bring down the curtain. Switching over to LEDs from Ledtronics allowed the theater to have a yearly savings of at least $57,271 in power savings and maintenance over incandescent bulbs. Wicked Theater Set, New York, New York. Wicked Tour Company creates sets for the hit musical Wicked. The sets currently appear in Chicago, Los Angeles, and Toronto. Wicked's road production success has surpassed all expectations, and the use of reliable Ledtronics LEDs has helped garner rave reviews for its designers and production company. An emerald green star-like effect was required by set designer Eugene Lee, so he turned to Ledtronics. The larger 40 LED aqua green clusters provide the illusion of closer stars compared to the smaller brilliant 4 LED cluster aqua green bulbs. With the frequent trips between locations, these road production sets have to withstand the vibration and jolts from traveling set to set. Ledtronics LEDs are in a solid-state design, rendering them virtually shock-proof to frequent jolts, bumps, and dropping. Canyon Pines Community, Reno, Nevada. Due to a miscommunication with subcontractors, there were no available power supply lines that could power any lights to illuminate the Canyon Pines sign, the entrance to an elegant master-planned community in Somerset. To remedy this predicament and to avoid having to pay the estimated $9,000 to pave power conduit lines to the sign, Ledtronics LED garden lamps were used as a solution. These LED lamps are solar powered during the day, which allows them to beautifully illuminate the sign during sundown. These LEDs consume only 12 watts of power per floodlight compared to the power-hungry 40 watts or 100-watt incandescent spotlights normally used in this application. Now the whole system can be run on a 123-watt solar panel and a small battery bank that powers the lights during extremely cloudy days. Zapopan, Jalisco, Mexico. Ledtronics model SLL003PC-400-0WW-001 lights this tunnel, approximately 90 feet long and 25 feet wide, 27.6 meters long, 7.6 meters wide. Some of our other applications: Mandalay Bay Resort, Las Vegas, Nevada. Torrance Airport, Los Angeles, California. Metro Blue Line, Long Beach, California. Condolis Trump Skyscraper, New York, New York. Smithsonian Museum, Washington, D.C. Intermountain Power Plant, Millard County, Utah. Chief Joseph Power Station, Bridgeport, Washington. Royal Danish Air Force, Denmark. Bigelow Aerospace, Las Vegas, Nevada. Orlando Magic Home Court, Orlando, Florida. American Airlines Admirals Club, LAX Airport, California. Architectural lighting and LED spotlight bulbs. R30 LED spotlight, MR16 spotlight, 1224 volts, wall sconces, S11 LED bulbs, PAR20 LED bulb. Interconnectable LED strip lights. LED 12-volt floodlight unit.
S1040 LED bulbs.
LED tube lights. Turn lighting on its head. Think installations LEDs. Relamp with bright, long-lasting, energy-efficient, direct incandescent replacement LED bulbs and lamps from Ledtronics. LED, Ledtronics Incorporated, the future of light. 1-800-579-4875, www.ledtronics.com.